everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is one for Halloween. As it's going to be October soon, I thought I would start doing some makeup looks. I'm going to be doing obviously more adventurous ones that are sort of paint, art, over the top kind of looks, but I thought today I would do this really kind of pretty yet Halloweeny style makeup. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. So I'm going in with the Brow Spectrum Zoeva palette. I love this palette. I mainly bought it because I'm doing client makeup now. I will leave my website in the link below if you want to just be nosy or anything. So I'm just going in with a liner brush and doing the brows. I use the darker shade for the arch to build that, and then I go in and fill the rest of the brow in. For the base, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape, I think in the shade Light or Fair, can't remember. I will put it in the description. And I am carving out my brows with that. I'm using like a flat oval shaped brush, and I'm going really into that brow, and then I will put this product all over the lid. We are using a wet base for today, meaning I'm leaving the concealer completely wet. I'm not setting it with any translucent powder. I'm using the eyeshadow colour to use it as basically a setting powder. So I'm going in with the shades Mint and Envy. Envy is this dark green colour and Mint is that lighter green. I'm going with the colour called Envy, and I'm packing it on quite boldly into the lid and kind of all over the lid, to be fair. But as you can see, I'm really packing it in. You know, you don't want to be shy with the colour. So I'm going all over the lid with that, and then I'm going to use another brush and blend around that edge with the colour called Mint, which is almost like a turquoisey kind of green. I absolutely love that shade. I think it's really pretty. Obviously this is for Halloween, so I've kind of gone a bit more bold. So yeah, I'm just blending that shade in. So I'm also doing the same process on the bottom lash. I've kind of I leave it quite messy on the bottom, and then I go in with a makeup wipe or some form of makeup remover and clean up under the eye. I'm also going in with the colour called Moony. Yep, Moony from the Stacey MUA palette. This is the palette, that's the palette I'm using, by the way, which I forgot to say. And then I'm using the Jolie Beauty Bomb.com palette, which is full of glitter. It's honestly the most beautiful glitter palette you will ever see in your life. And I'm just going over with the green shade in that. Sorry, I've forgotten the name. I'll put it below. And yeah, I'm just blending that, tapping it into the top of the eye. You don't actually need any glue or anything, which is perfect. I'm then applying some of these lashes. I think these are Tatti Lashes TL4, if I'm correct, I think. But yeah, my favourite shade, styles are TL4, Tatti Lash and Mitchell, and TL3. I'll put them all links in the description, and then I'm just going in with a little bit of mascara. I've used the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil as well on the waterline to make my eyes stand out a little bit more. I've gone in and done foundation already and concealer. I tend to use the LA Girl Illuminating Foundation at the moment. I absolutely love that one. And I've gone into concealer. Can't remember what I used, probably Collection 2000. I'm applying some bronzer. I've just used lately the Rimmel matte bronzer, natural bronzer, I think it is. I can't, why, my brain's gone blank. Yeah, the Rimmel matte bronzer. And then to finish off this look, I've gone in with the Huda Beauty, the shade I've also forgotten, I'll put in the description. And then the black colour that I try is Kymajesty from Kylie Cosmetics. I honestly don't know if she still does it. I think it was like a one-off for her birthday. But yeah, this is the finished look. I absolutely loved it. It still looks really pretty with the Huda colour. Huda? Am I saying that right? I don't know. I'm so sorry. This is just a mess. But yeah, I really hope you like this look. It's all something fun for Halloween. But also, if you want to go out and wear this, then go out and wear it. I hope you like this kind of short tutorial, and over to me to do the outro. And this is the finished look. So obviously it is very bold. Obviously you could go for something different on the lips, like a nude. That would probably go like better with, if you wanted it to not be as bold. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.